Hey guys, if you're new to our channel, my name is Kate.
And I'm Alex.
And we are here with season 3 of WTF.
Here we go.
So we are back with season 3 of WTF.
Kate wants to get beat again. She just can't help herself.
So if you are new to WTF, we have had 2 seasons where, annoyingly, Alex has won.
Last season, it was so close. I felt bad in the end that I won.
Yeah.
Because it was just back and forth. It was like 50-50 chance he was going to win,
Whereas
and I won.
the first season, it was
it was a landslide.
Yeah, so if you'd like to...
Clear winner. Clear winner.
Okay, right. Okay. Clear winner. That's what I'm going to be saying at the end of this season.
We've got a clear winner.
Anyway, if you'd like to check out series 1 and 2, we'll leave a playlist linked up there and maybe down below. Maybe we should keep things like this down below as well. Please lock in your votes now. Who do you predict to be season 3 winner?
Yeah.
I feel like this time a lot of people are going to be rooting for me because they feel like I've got a lot of fire under me now.
Yeah, you've got a lot to prove now.
Yeah.
So we'll leave a poll here. Kate or Alex, but if you want to expand on that, drop it in the comments why you think.
Why? Let us know why.
Yeah.
Anyway, should we crack on?
Yeah, let's crack into it.
What the fudge is in this box?
In the box.
Woo! Also, we should clarify to anyone who's new, WTF stands for what the fudge.
Yeah.
Here we go. Hello, Kate and Alex, and welcome to season 3 of WTF. Whilst thinking of ways to kick off season 3, it came to us, why not just have a party to celebrate it? So reach inside the box and pick up all your party essentials. We've got troll hats.
Yeah. Oh, and they've got little neck things.
My word! 3 today. That's cool.
Oh, do they not do pins anymore?
No, probably not, because it's probably too dangerous for kids, isn't it?
That's so cool. 3 today.
3 today, love that.
3.
We've got some
What are these glow sticks?
We've got some balloons.
Oh, I'll get this one.
Deary me, it's hard to blow up a balloon. Non-toxic. Oh, wow.
What are they?
These are actually neon.
Oh, they glow glasses.
Yeah. So you can crack those.
So what's this bit for then?
So that had those in. Do you want to crack them?
Oh, is that just so they don't get cracked on the way?
Yeah. I used to love those. Quick story time before we start. We were at a friend's party, weren't we? And he had these. And I cracked it so much, it like burst.
Oh, really?
And it landed in my eye and my mouth. Do you remember Rowan's party?
Lucky you can still see.
I know.
It's hard to know if these are working or not.
Yeah, it is
Turn off
working.
some lights.
Cats and dogs and cats and dogs and cats and dogs and cats and cats and... Poo biscuit, poo biscuit, poo biscuit. Did anyone ever do that when you were younger? Apparently to be an ultimate rapper straight away, you say poo biscuit quickly. Poo biscuit, poo biscuit.
They used to go in here.
And you
like
say
that,
cats
sure.
and dogs really quickly.
Just go in here.
Yeah. This is such a good idea, isn't it? Not
Why'd
that
you bend
anyone
it
can
round
see
that?
what we do.
Yeah.
I feel like we need to do the intro again. I just really
Yeah.
Welcome to season 3 WTF.
WTF.
Woo! Anyway, right, I feel like we can crack on now. Do you want to try these glasses on? Thanks for that, Matt. Really enjoyed that little party.
Yeah, that was great. Really in the spirit now. Looks like you're having a great time, guys, but we need to get down to the nitty-gritty and introduce the first challenge of season 3, the WTF Did You Say challenge. We have taken inspiration from the Say Anything challenge and put our own WTF twist on it.
The premise of the challenge is simple. You have to take it in turns to say one random word each. You will have 2 seconds to respond to your opponent. Only real words will count and you must not repeat a word that has been said previously. If you fail, your opponent will apply a strip of tape to wherever they want on your face. Each strip of tape you manage to apply to your opponent's face is a point for yourself. The first to 10 points win. Good luck, guys, the WTF team. I don't understand.
No, neither do I.
But we got tape on our face.
Which you probably are more worried about than I am.
Yes.
Okay, so shall we rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first then or something?
Yeah, go on then.
Okay, ready?
Paper, scissors.
Yes!
Okay, so
Can we stop now? I feel like that's it. That's it. I've done.
Alex, one episode one.
I'm done.
So do you want to say the first word?
Could you imagine if if we opened the box and it was just play rock,
rock.
paper, scissors?
You
Sorry.
just totally spell me.
So they don't need to be connected. So
No,
you might as well
absolutely
go
random.
first.
So I'm gonna go first. And we just have to say completely random words. It's the first one to either say an actual name, to pause, or to say a repeat. We shouldn't allow
Yeah. Right. And it's the first to 10, isn't it? First to 10 points. No. And 1 point is a piece of tape on your face.
On the opponent
Yeah,
face,
the opponents.
Opponents.
Right, here we go
Okay.
then.
Balloon.
Jumper,
Hat.
trousers,
Flower.
garden,
Rose.
chair,
Plant.
light,
Ball.
toaster,
Eye.
table,
Teeth.
lips,
Black.
eyes,
T-shirt.
hair,
Joggers.
socks,
Boat.
shoes,
Surfboard.
balloon.
I said balloon.
I'm
I'm not going to get too excited.
The problem is that you just can't remember all the words.
No, and
So-
then you end up...
I'm trying to be like, don't use that word, don't use that word. But then at some point there's just too many words to remember.
I feel like we should have a heart monitor on for the
probably
screen
could.
because my heart's like...
Mine would still be at 50.
Okay, so I get a piece of tape.
Go on, man.
And is it just like that? So I might just maybe give you a nose strip because I know that will hurt coming off. There we go. This is very
I
cheap
look like
tape.
I've had plastic surgery or something. I've had a
Your
nose
nose
job.
done.
Right.
Okay. Oh, now I've got to like refresh.
Liverpool,
Light.
Cheebrook,
Chelsea.
driving,
Tube.
shopping,
Waterloo.
bridge.
London.
What the f***?
What?
I'm just gonna think of it.
It's like you then start laughing at you. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Tape 2.
Oh, I've got a bad feeling about this.
Okay, 2. I'm just trying to distract you as much as possible.
Yeah.
If only if it was like
Mission accomplished.
black tape.
It's touching my eyelashes. It feels really weird.
Sorry. It's like when your eyelashes are really long in sunglasses. Okay, round 3. Beer.
iPad,
Kitchen roll.
glass,
Dishwasher.
island,
Sofa.
palm tree,
Cushion.
chair,
Blanket.
beach,
Top.
sand,
Shorts.
shell. Do I get that one?
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh
Finally, I
dear.
get one.
My armpits are sweating.
Are they?
Yeah. Well, that's good. Give me a nice neck lift. I'm sorry, not going to stay, but we'll play with it.
We'll work with it.
Okay, round 4.
Round 4. Eggs,
Potato.
avocado,
Eyebrows.
frying,
Fake tan.
chin,
Tan.
beach holiday. Oh, what am I doing?
I had to laugh with
Why
this
did I
otherwise.
say beach holiday?
I could have just said beach or holiday.
I think it's because I'd already said beach in the last round. I was
Well-
trying not to say it again.
Oh, really?
So I was like, beach holiday.
I can remember. This tape isn't good enough.
Well, this is strange.
Okay, we're upgrading our tape game because that just wasn't working.
This is going to feel really weird. I've never had such weird stuff done to my face.
My chin still feels great.
Great. Please for you.
Planet.
Diary.
Mars.
Journal.
Mars bar.
Chocolate. You
Sweet.
did 2 words.
Mars bar.
What's 2 words?
No, a chocolate bar Mars bar is the chocolate bar Mars bar.
Yeah, because
Why
I
not?
said beach holiday.
Yeah, but that's a beach holiday,
That's a-
whereas a Mars bar is like a chocolate bar.
It's a Mars. Oh.
I don't think that's fair, because beach holiday is obviously 2 words.
And
Mars
so is
bar.
Mars bar. It's
No,
obviously
because
2
that's what it's called, a Mars bar.
Yeah, but it's still only 1 random word.
Whatever.
Okay, ready?
You can't put it over my lips.
I'm not putting it over your lips. I'm just putting it over your top lip.
Really?
You've got a strap.
Okay.
Here we go. Eyebrows.
Board.
Table.
Nose.
Door.
2 hours later.
Table.
Tissue.
What the f*** say table?
Like
Goodness
it.
sake. What is going on?
What is going on with this tape? We need, what's it they kidnap people with?
Duct tape.
That's what we need. There we go.
Button.
Top.
Panic.
Bottom.
Pluto.
Saddle.
Scrape.
Frame.
Sit.
Uh,
What are you going to say, table?
no.
One more to go. It probably doesn't help that you know that you've only got like one more to go.
Goodness sake.
Okay, one more to go. I'm still sweating just as much. Dress.
Photo.
Popper.
Frame.
Smoke.
Tree.
Weed.
Oh, goodness
You're
sake.
out.
Goodness sake.
I should have done that as my tactic this whole way. Say words to get you. Say like random words.
Yeah.
Was weed because I said smoke? Were you thinking
No, it was because you went, when you said it, you went,
weed?
weed. Goodness
So I was
sake, is that it?
That's it.
Right, put your last piece on.
Yay! Well, as it's the last piece.
Are you going to do a thick one?
Much better.
Much too good for children.
That's what I should have done.
Right.
See, we were quite fair on each other, weren't we? We weren't mean.
But that's not what the people at home want to see. They
No,
want to
they
see
wanna see-
devastating blows.
Yeah.
Well done anyway.
Thank you, Al.
At least this is going to give the people in the comments who are Team Kate some hope that you might actually win this series.
What they want, yeah. The more ahead I get, the more.
I think to start off with, I'm quite chilled about it, and then
you
when we get
start
to like
getting-
episode 5, I'm
you
like,
start realising.
right, here we go.
So, did you enjoy that?
Yeah, in a strange way.
In a strange way, I enjoyed that as well. You guys should definitely play this. You don't even need to go out and get anything. Just make sure you have some tapes. That's like one of those good old-fashioned games, isn't it? It's just
One of those good old-fashioned
This is
games where you
starting to
don't need
hurt
to
my-
leave the house.
this one that's starting to hurt my
You
nose
might
now. I
just
wonder
make
if I'm
out stuff you
allergic.
got, like pasta.
Thank you guys. We hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
See ya.